we are live. I believe these markets have been pretty volatile, so had all my overnight alerts triggered. So, there we go. So the lows here up to these highs, 441 points there on NQ. Imagine it's going to be something similar on ES relative. And we've had gold head up to the 22s and pulled back to the middle of the range. Oh, we had quite a bit of selling overnight. Okay. Similar to what we saw on NQ there. So should have a pretty decent range. So let's have a look. Looking at nearly $40 or 400 ticks. Okie dokie. So what's going on here? Why is my charting platform not working? I'm flipping trade if I don't have charts. What's going on? What is this, man? Oh, goodness me. If it isn't one thing, it's something else. For me. If it isn't a broken mic, it's charting.
Even a better midday. So thank you to everybody.
My flipping life, what in the world? Absolutely brilliant. Oh, hold on. Let's see, what's this? Let's see. Okay. So what's that? Buy gold at 17.9.
Order submitted.
About what? What's going on? Oh, my flipping life, man. What the is going on? Timer. So I'm in now on the gold. Similar to yesterday, we do have the issue of conflicting signals. Fucking, my flipping charting software is not flipping working, man. What sort of bullshit is this? So the target's 21. Stops 13.6. And seems like another stop out on gold. Oh well. I can't even trade. Let's see. Mm. Let's start the task manager. Let's have a look. Kieran in the background format. Fucking bastards. Anyway. Okay. Finally I got my charts up. Jeez Louise, that took long enough. And for some reason charting software was running in the background, and while it was running in the background it wasn't loading on my charts, so I had to go end the background task and then have it run in the foreground. So over on the VIX is pretty much flat. It's not plus 0.75, which is pretty dangerous for a VIX. On NQ, the range is 445.75. On ES, it's 93.75. And over on gold is 39.8. Now, the issue we have is a pretty simple issue. Despite the range on these instruments, on the NQ and the ES, plus 93 on NQ and plus 445 on ES, after the market open here, the market hasn't been that volatile. I don't think. Maybe. Actually, the market would have opened about here, somewhere around here. So 448, 488 down to 30. That's about 58 points. That's not a lot. That is not a lot for our friends over at NQ. So I'm trying to think how I could trade this. I'm trying to think how it is that I could trade this. There is one strategy, but it would require retracement. There's an experimental strategy, but I'm not sure if I want to use that yet. Don't think this is a market for it just yet. Just yet. Then again, that wouldn't even set up. Okay. So I guess it's on the sidelines. I have to stay on the sidelines. Let's see. 19.3. So the target's all the way up at 21. So that's quite a long way to go. Got to 20, 10 ticks away, 20.2, 8 ticks away. Open at 20 doesn't act as a resistance here. 20.3, 20.4, 6 ticks away. Let's see if we can go 20.8, 20.9. I've just had my alert trigger saying 21's been hit. But I've still got 25 contracts on. Not a single contract's been filled. Goodness me. Yep, we hit 21, but not a single contract's filled. Oh, goodness. Okay. There we go.
Filled.
Target filled. Picked up 7. Okay, let's see. Tell me there's high volume over on ES and NQ. So let's go have a look over there. Let's see what's happening over there. So we got high volume around this VWAP. Okay, that's interesting. Seeing the aggressive march higher on gold here. Seems like he wants to go attack yesterday's high around the 26.4s. All the way up there. Hold on. Did I just... Oh my gosh, it's with the US clocks changing. Huh. Okay. So that probably explains it. Why the volume was... Well, I didn't like the price action. Just had a look and it's just about the New York Open now. Well, the US session, 9:36, so that'll explain a lot. Okay, that's interesting. Well, we'll stay patient here. Certainly will stay patient. Seeing some really nice moves. Nice move out of the view up there on the NQ. Really nice move from the 430s up to the 530s, 100 points. Seeing that continued move higher on gold, seem to be heading towards that previous day's high. Just trying to get with the there we go, through yesterday's high on gold, and definitely thought about it, but after yesterday and all those losses I took on gold, I wasn't going to take that potential long up to the previous day's high. Whatever the case, and let's just have a look what the range is. Current range on our friends over at gold, it's 45.2. Wonder if we have enough momentum here to take us up to the 41.3, which is last week's high. So 41.3. Guess this market's had enough of the I guess the market's had enough of the selling over the past couple of weeks, who knows. And so let's see, daily chart, gold is rallied strongly here to the upside after a couple of bearish days. Over on NQ, pretty consistent selling over the past couple of weeks here. So we've run into that view up on ES. Having some difficulties here testing around that view up in this area here around the 620s. So we'll see. We'll certainly see. See what this market wants to do. Oh, hold on a second here. Is that a setup? That would be very aggressive on my part if I was to take the... that would be a really aggressive short on ES. If I was to take that, it's really aggressive. We have to remember that this is the open. So we've got to take that into account. I think what I could do is just move this up a little bit. Yeah, that would work perfectly. So when I switch between charts, yeah, that works perfectly. Yeah, that works perfectly. You know what, it's the open, so let's not be too aggressive here. I'm looking for a timer. A countdown timer. Doesn't work. Can you? Oh, you can't even get rid of it. So, what does that mean? Whatever. This market's probably had enough of all this selling that's been taking place. Who knows? Oh wow, nice aggression here. Really nice aggression. We've seen over there on our gold. Guess they've had enough. Battery saver on. Oh, I better make sure I charge my laptop. Let's hope I plug in the right one this time. Interesting. Okay, so may get a short on ES. Gotta be careful here. Looking at an aggressive market, so gotta be careful. Oh wow. Looks like, okay, so 32.8 is a buy on gold. 32.8. 32.8 is a buy. Hmm. Mm. 79.49. So it's this one. Yeah, it looks like a buy day. We'll wait. Lowering my expectations today. The reason I'm lowering my expectations is sodium benzoate. Sucralose. Okay. So I'm lowering my expectations today, and the reason I'm doing that is I don't like what I'm seeing. Not seeing anything extraordinary on the VIX. Not seeing anything extraordinary over there. And we had a fairly big move overnight. So all those things put together, not sure. Let's think about this. Our friends over at gold potentially short the 920s. Let's go have a look at gold. Short the 920s. It's either buy the 32s or short the 920s. It's if we can get to 624, we're in play on. If we can get to 624, we're going to be in play on the NQ. 624, we're in play on NQ. 46.75 on ES. 46.75, we're in play on ES. I wonder what gold is doing. Let's think about this. Let's see. So we'll look at the daily chart on gold. Okay. So we've gone up, pulled back, bullish candle. The windows are pretty tight to the upside here because we are coming into this daily area from the early part of March. So we've got the March highs. So let's 32.8. We're gonna cancel this order. And we're gonna sell the 20s.
Order submitted.
And then we're going to write in here, buy above this level. Buy above. May actually get a short over on ES. I'm not going to be its biggest fan though, because the problem is we've got non-compliance from NQ. It's retraced almost a little bit too much to the upside. What's the problem? The problem is NQ. So we need to close below 1650 here. Yeah, I'll take it. I'll take it. 601. 601. 42.25. 42.25. So we've got our gold. Sorry, we've got our ES position. It's going to be in the top right. Gold, we've got a sell down at 20. Again, at any moment, buyers can just step in here and drag this market back up. So I'm not confident in this short, but the system did give us a short here. Well, our second strategy did give us a short, so we'll see if it's paying today. Certainly see if it's paying today. What's that, 14? I think if I get to target here, I may just end the day. It'll be a shorter day, but I did say I was going to be less aggressive today. Ooh. I did say that's what the goal was, to be less aggressive. Oh wow, a lot of buying there. 608. Would really need to clear these lows on this current candle. Put an alert down there at 608. Let's see. Should be 60750 actually. 60750. I'm going to put an alert down at 60750. Do need those lows to be taken out. If they're not, then could be in for a tough time. Did say that with this trade, I was a little bit concerned that NQ has gone too far to the upside. A sustained move to the downside on ES. But I'll take the trade. I'll certainly take the trade. Someone's buying us up. Someone's buying. Come into this area. Look in the top right here. Come into this area, these lows here. Someone's interested. So really, we need to get through to about the 0650s. We need to clear that 0650 comfortably. And prices need to hold down there, not just immediately bought back up. Thing is, when we're doing that, this is going to be coming into this 200 here, which could act as a support. So, well. Look, what do we have here? Seems our friends over at so the buyers there have come back in. We'll see. We'll certainly see. I need this candle to not close bullish, this one here. Cannot afford. There we go. Come on. Oh, come on. Clear there. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. So, and you know what? I'm not even going to take the short on gold. Canceling that order. And let's see. Hold on. Was it like news or something? I bet there was probably some news that I didn't even. Tuesday the 11th. Jolts. Oh, I guess. Well, that was fortunate. that was fortunate. So, So we are up 25 on a day that I was concerned about possible Vol not being compliant. So let's see. And we were saying, let's think about this. We were shorting the problem with shorting problem with shorting gold at 20. Gold has gone to 29. So if I short the 20s, we'd already be back into possible areas where we could potentially find support. That's the problem. That is the problem. So, that's the issue I have. If I short the 20s, I will be... See, we're coming into this area. It's almost asking a little bit too much. A little bit too much. And similar to the ES, we're going to have conflicting strategies. Potentially. See, the thing is, the P&L at the moment is accounted for by gold and ES. And because NQ went so far to the upside, on the setup to the downside on ES, NQ was non-compliant because it rallied so much to the upside. You see, at the moment, it seems I'm about to get a short on ES. But it's a difficult one. It's difficult. You know what? Take it. $74. $37.25. What's that? High volume. Thing is, this could reverse at any point. That's the problem with it. That's the problem with it. As we're seeing, that is the problem. See, the retracement on NQ is so problematic that it makes it such a problematic instrument. Okay, so just got the setup on NQ 47.25 to 47.25 to 47.25. $5.59. $5.60 essentially. $5.60. You see, and that's the problem with these potential news picks. So we went as low as 77.75 over on ES. 77.75 with the target down at 74. So came within about 4 points of target. Nothing stopping this market from rallying from here and taking away all the profits I've accumulated. Absolutely nothing. Over on NQ, we've cleared these lows down at the 387s. We did not close below. So there's nothing stopping this from rallying. Absolutely nothing. Mm. 21.2, 21.2. Okay, so okie dokie. Mm. Yeah, this is just gonna rally. Oh well. Just gonna have to accept it. Fake out, getting the shorts involved, and then continuing to move higher. Oh well. See, high volume to the upside there. So you had the opportunity to walk away up 25, and now look at you. Now look at you, living in hope. Living in hope. $4.58. Now you're living in hope, my friend. Hoping that the profits will be back again. You are living in hope, my friend. what was that, 26.4, closed right on the level, 30.5. Okay, so making some adjustments over here, canceling that order, bringing this down to 30.5. $30.5
Submitted.
buy above this level. I think what I'll do over at the what I'll do over on NQ is, because its target is just so far away, and I did come into the day saying I did not like what I saw on the, what was that? I didn't like what I saw on the VIX. I think if I can get to target over on ES around about the 74, which is still a stretch, I will take off the NQ. Just assuming I don't get stopped out before then, because we are really not that far from our stop here. Because even though we're coming back below the 200 here, this VWAP could act as a support for a leg higher. So we'll see. We'll certainly see. Probably would need to get, let's see, probably 31. Yeah, I'm going to put an alert out there at 31. Let's see if we can get below that 31. Let's see. We are going home again. So that's through the 594s over on ES. We're short down at 90.86. We've gone through the 31s over on NQ. Okay, so let's see what the levels are. 395, 354, 316. Put some alerts at those levels. Next level I'm looking at on our friends over at ES is the 83.75, and then our target down at 74 if we are so lucky. Like I said, I could have buying off this VWAP. Which we seem to be having. Ah, come on. There we go. There's that buying off the VWAP I was concerned about. So I'm going to need to break the 423s. Put an alert down at 421.50. Just think today is just not going to be a good day. I just think it's not going to be a good day. Requires a lot of work. See, at the moment, we're almost at break even on ES on the top right here. but we're so far away on NQ. NQ seems to have the greater relative strength today. And that's the reason why I don't think it's going to get down to its target down at the 247s. So what's that? 16 x4 32 64. You know what? I should keep it where it is. I think it's like 157 or 247.75. I think that's what it was. Again, if I get to target on gold, ES in the top right here, I'll be closing all positions. So I'll be closing the NQ position, and I'll definitely be getting out, cancelling the order on the gold position if it's not being filled by then. Come on, don't be double bottoming high or low. Let's not do that. Let's not do that. What did I say I was looking at? The 83.75. I want to see prices through the 83.75. Came pretty close there, actually. Got down to about 84.25. 2 or so ticks away. Come on, let's not stop buying here. Oh my gosh. Golly. Goodness me. All the way back to that 600. Just that quick. Look at that. How many points was that? 68 points right there. Wow. It's the level of volatility we're looking at. So let's put an alert at 84. Hopefully we can break it. No, it's not really 84, is it? Okay. 21.2. Let's go over to gold.
Order canceled.
21.2.
Order submitted.
Oh, imagine that. Look how it's aligned with this low here. Goodness me. You just can't make it up. It's aligned perfectly with this low here. One alert down at the 421.50 over on 421.50 over on NQ here. I'd like to see a failure here around the VWAP and a clear of these lows. But anything can happen. This market could still yet turn around and punish me severely. So I need this to break these lows down at 34s. There we go. Make a new low after that break of the lows. Get down to 430s. Come on, get down. There we go. All right, so now the eyes are on our friends over at ES. Hoping that we can come and clear this the 84s and get down to the 83.75s I was looking for. So this is where we're going to have a potential contradiction on strategies over on our friends over at gold, bottom right here. So it's not ideal that the short is already there at this low. It's not ideal. It's less than ideal. It's less than ideal. 21.2. Okay. It's a real bad. It's a bad area. So come on, break these. What's going on? We've broke the 95s over on the NQ. Want to see this move down towards the 54s here, 40 or so points lower. And I want to see this move through this 83.75. Punish these buyers over here that drove us up to the 600. Would like to see them punished, and then attack these lows down at the 77.75s. I'd like there to be some momentum just to drive it down. Really make them think we're going to attack the previous day's low down at 71. So, okay, so we punished them. Okay, quick move here. Let's punish these down at the 77.75s. So the previous day's low is down at 71, and I'm looking to get out before that. That's where the previous day's low is. Down at 71. Oh, come on. Don't start buying, man. Let's not start buying here. What was that? 80. Come on. 80. Goodness me. So let's 77.50, one tick below the previous low there. I got an alert set at 77.50. Hopefully we can just break it with some momentum, take us down to the 74s. Let's see, come on. We're up about 40 points there over on NQ. So just looking for that break. 54.75 over here. Down to that 77. Come on. No more buying. Come on, go get it. Go get it. Go on. Down to 74s. Quick momentum move down. Come on, man. Got down to 76.25, 2 points away. Okay, I'm going to try and stay patient here. Very strong bounce there. There we go. Come on. It's only 76.25. I'm gonna put an alert down at 76, one tick below. Hopefully we can get the 2 points and a quick flush here. Hopefully we can get the 2 points and a quick flush. Getting ready to close the NQ if we get what we want. to 79. Let's go revisit those lows. Come on. Let's go revisit those lows. Let's go revisit the lows here. Down to that 77.50. We seem comfortable. 76.25, 75.
Target.
Okay. There we go. So, as planned, I got out of that. Okay, the position, the actual designated target was down at 47.75. And let's put that as a DT. And so that's a DT down at 247.75. So that's a DT on that. So this short, I'm supposed to hold it all the way down there, but I'm not going to do that. So we're coming down through the 316s. I'm out at the 30s. Testing the previous day's low, down at 71. Cancel the order down at 21.2. Over on gold. I'm going to walk away up 83.453 in about 1 hour and 11 minutes. So let's have a look at our trade performance. I believe I should be 100% accuracy today. So let's have a look. Generate. Not sure why it's taking so long. Maybe it's too much P&L. Seems like we're heading down. Well, while this decides what he wants to do. And we've got the previous day's low over on our friends over at NQ down at the 272 level. So we've got the 272. That's about where the previous day's low is. Over on our friends over at NQ. So down to 21. I think I'd have been picked up there at 21.2. Let's see. Yep, would have been picked up at 21.2 over there on gold if I didn't cancel the order. Let's see where the target would be over there on gold. Let's go have a look. Let's have a look. Wait 15 seconds. It's going to give me where my designated target should be. Where are my DTs? Come on. Let's go. So the DT is 18.9. 18. Of course, I'm not going to take this trade because I've finished trading for the day. So the DT, that's a designated target, is down at 18.9 on the short of 21.2s. So we're currently trading at 22.4s, and the stop on this trade would be up at 25.9. 25.9. 25.9. Essentially 26 really. I didn't like the short here anyway because of this previous low, but still would have taken it. 25.9. Who knows? Sometimes not taking trades, in fact, works in your favor in a strange way. So the stop will be there. So the DS, the designated stop, would be up at 25.9. 25.9. That's where the designated stop would have been at the short at 21.2. So finally, the equity curve on the trade performance, cumulative net profit, has finally worked itself out. This is certainly the type of thing you like to see. A nice well, I don't know if you call it hyperbolic. As you can see there, 100% accuracy. Should be, okay, 100% accuracy today. Over on the summary page, You can see total gains 83, long trades 7. That's our gold trade. Short trade 75. So 99 profit factor, no losing trades, 100% accuracy, didn't lose a single trade. Average trades pretty small. Certainly would like to see a larger number there. Time in the market 11 minutes. It's not too bad. I'd like it to be longer, but if the market's moving quickly, then can't complain. And I suppose there wouldn't be any average. Let's see, average win again. I imagine if I'd have had losses, they would have been bigger than these average wins. So certainly would like for these to be bigger, but we didn't have any average losing trades. So that pretty much just covers everything. I'm going to wrap up the video here. Thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.